Let's look at why Nairobi roads crack so fast. Ever noticed those zigzag lines cutting across Nairobi roads a few months after repair? They're not just bad workmanship, it's science and numbers at war with heat. Every year the city spends millions fixing roads, but within months they break again. What exactly causes this cycle, and can we prevent it? When temperatures rise, tarmac expands. When it cools, it contracts. That constant push and pull creates stress inside the road surface. If materials or drainage aren't right, small gaps widen into cracks. Let's run the numbers. If a 100-meter stretch of road expands by just 1 millimeter per degree centigrade, a 10-degree centigrade temperature swing means a full centimeter of movement. Without expansion joints or flexible material, that pressure breaks the surface. Add trapped rainwater and heavy traffic, and you've got the perfect recipe for potholes. Cities like Mombasa use different asphalt mixes to handle heat, while some countries add polymers for flexibility. Engineers are even testing recycled plastic roads that bend instead of crack. So next time you hit a pothole, remember, it's not just poor repair. It's physics, math, and planning colliding under your tires. What's one idea you'd use to design a stronger road in your Mtaa?